So if your car has Apple CarPlay or Android Auto and you are sick of having to connect to wired Apple CarPlay or Android Auto, there is a way to get rid of this cord and use something called the Carlinkit. It's a small little device that plugs into the port and it connects with your phone wirelessly. So now you can have Apple CarPlay or Android Auto without having to connect the wire. Now you have to remember, this only works if your car actually has Apple CarPlay. So we're going to try this out on a Volkswagen and see how well it works. Let's open this up and see what it's got. This is the Carlinkit. Comes in this nice little case. You just see how small this little device actually is. Very, very simple little thing. And it comes with USB-A to USB-C or USB-C to USB-C. So it's nice, it comes with both types of ports depending on what your car uses. So you basically just plug this in and hook it up. Let's try it. So I have the Apple wired CarPlay right here. It requires this USB-A to Lightning port. I'm going to unplug that, and now I have this CarLink, just plugs right into the port. There you can see it's receiving power, it's on. It also comes with an adhesive sticker if you want to put adhesive on the back of this to kind of tuck it up and out of the way like that. Now it's just a matter of turning on your Wi-Fi and your Bluetooth to connect to this, and then it'll automatically pair every time you enter the car and start the car. Okay, I have it paired now. That was easy. Once the connection is successful, it goes from red to green. Now let's turn this on and just take a look. And there it is. Wireless Apple CarPlay. Sweet. Let's see. Make sure everything works here. Sweet. All right, how about responsiveness and how quick does it go? That's not bad. That's not bad at all. Very fast. Actually, I'm gonna install this with the tape. I put the double-sided tape that it comes with. I'm just gonna install it right on the top, on the underside right there. Another problem that this setup solves is that this is typically a slow charger right here. And so if you have your phone plugged into this and you're using navigation with this, you know, sometimes heavy use on your phone, it drains faster than it can charge. And so you get rid of having to use this slow charger. And now you can use like this Anker 12-volt socket high-speed charger and have this plugged into your phone to charge super fast. That's nice. So you can see how easy that was to install. So you go from wired Apple CarPlay or Android Auto to wireless with just a simple plug and connect, and there it is. Now you don't have to worry about it. Every time you go into the car, it just automatically connects. So super easy, very, very cool, affordable install that you can do. Just takes a couple minutes, and now you have wireless CarPlay or Android Auto. I'll put a link to this in the description below. Just remember that your car must already have wired Apple CarPlay or Android Auto in order for this to function and connect. So I just want to thank Amazon for sending the Carlinkit out to me for me to try. I have found it actually really useful. I've used it for several weeks now. It connects every time you get into the vehicle. Within a few seconds, it connects without any sort of problems. You don't have to adjust anything on your phone or anything like that. I can manipulate Apple CarPlay just like wired Apple CarPlay would be. I've also found it useful when there's multiple different drivers that I have programmed onto this thing. And even if one of those other drivers happens to be in the back seat, it still connects to the driver, which is useful. It doesn't interfere with other people in the vehicle who might be connected to the same device. So I think that's actually really pretty beneficial. Very minimal lag time, if anything. Check it out if you're interested. Thanks a lot for watching this video. Go ahead and subscribe if you haven't already. If you like this kind of video, review type video, want more of those, definitely give it a thumbs up or leave a comment. We'll catch you next time. Bye.